Ex-Basketball Player by John Updike. Pearl Avenue runs past the high school lot, bends with the trolley tracks and stops, cut off, before it has a chance to go 2 blocks. At Colonel McComsky's Plaza, Berth's garage is on the corner facing west, and there, most days you'll find Flick Webb, who helps Berth out. Flick stands tall among the idiot pumps, 5 on a side, the old bubble-head style, their rubber elbows hanging loose and low. One's nostrils are 2 S's, and his eyes an E and O, and one is squat without a head at all, more of a football type. Once Flick played for the high school team, the Wizards. He was good, in fact the best. In '46 he bucketed 390 points, a county record still. The ball loved Flick. I saw him rack up 38 or 40 in one home game. His hands were like wild birds. He never learned a trade, he just sells gas, checks oil and changes flats. Once in a while, as a gag, he dribbles an in or two, but most of us remember anyway. His hands are fine and nervous on the lug wrench. It makes no difference to the lug wrench, though. Off work he hangs round May's luncheonette. Greased gray and kind of coiled, he plays pinball, smokes those thin cigars, nurses lemon phosphates. Flick seldom says a word to May, just nods, beyond her face, towards bright applauding tiers of Necco wafers, nibs, and juju beads.